Ready for Paw Patrol? Face painting, tasty treats, and games to play. It must be carnival time in Adventure Bay. But the kitty catastrophe crew is causing trouble. Time to call Paw Patrol.
Bob.
On the double.
Bob. Bob. Bob.
Oh no, Corny the pig takes off at a really fast pace. But there's no need to worry with Chase on the case. The police pup steers the pig back into his pen, quick thinking Chase has done it again. In the air, Sky's on the lookout for stuffed bunny Fluff. It was stolen, but the spots a trail of the stuff. Oh, she spots a trail of the stuff. Sky flies to the playground to take a sky-high look and see those sneaky kittens with the prizes they took. The kitty catastrophe crew is getting away. Sky yelps as they race to the edge of the bay. Chase and Ryder rev their engines and answer the call. No job is too big, no pup is too small. Those naughty kittens think they're finally free, but their bouncy hiding place starts to drift out to sea. Ryder calls Zuma. They've got kittens to save, and there's no pup better for riding a wave. The team saves the kittens before they get wet, and Rubble returns the stuffed bunnies. The prizes are set. Mayor Goodway is so pleased.
No.
Your pup saved the day. Ryder grins and says, we're just a yelp for help away. Is that a good book?
A beep.
A beep? Oh, you heard the car outside. Mm-hmm. You want to read it again? Can you get off my scrawny arms so I can thank you? Much obliged. Are we reading this again?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Through tired eyes.